How to download or install Lightroom in your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can download Lightroom. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So if you want to install Lightroom, first head over to your App Store. On your App Store, go to the search section at the bottom right, then tap on the search bar and type in Lightroom. After you type in Lightroom, you should see Lightroom Photo and Video Editor. Open that up, and as you can see, it's by Adobe. You can edit your photos and videos up. There are a lot of different features available in Lightroom. So all you have to now do is press on the install button and confirm the installation, and the installation should begin. The installation will depend on your internet speed. So faster the speed, faster the download time. And yeah, after it downloads, you can then simply open it up and start editing your photos and videos. And that is basically it for today's video, guys. That's how you download or install Lightroom in your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And again, if you're new, don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more.